will be again this season. A fresh cast list and a place in the last 16 of the Carabao Cup.
Talking about young players getting a chance at Chelsea, maybe doesn't fall into that category of academy level.
And Azpilicueta joining in. This is Keita towards Shaqiri. Beautiful turn. Another with a threatening delivery, which Keita almost made something of. Morata lurks, Willian waits, the door shut by Albert. Willian driving it. Morata, this is promising, Willian.
Ball of the season.
There's his delivery, Matip dealt with it.
Space in there.
This is winning that free kick. And from the start, Kidology, that's Willian comfortably over the top. In to try and steal it, lost out. Cahill has some business to attend to. There's Ross Barkley. Moses. Moreno. Struck off by Shaqiri. Physical strength.
He's just running the game in there, Fabregas now.
Felling Emerson, we may well see the first card here. Around the back. Here's free, Morata's offside. Moreno hoping to time it right, and time it right he did not.
Well, there's no doubt Moreno will take up.
He's going to unleash one here. The arrow behind it. Into Barkley, who's found some space here. He's curling away.
Well, there's not many players capable from delivering from this distance, but we've seen that before.
On for Morata again. Mignolet there again.
This is Barkley.
Milner away. Towards Klein. In the area with him. Unhappy with the attention that Keita is getting. Actually, the free kick comes. Side. They win the race.
A few times we've seen Liverpool win the ball back and then break. We know how devastating.
Now Kovacic.
Decision. Feet get.
Well, he might find the penetration. Morata is in here! And he'll get another opportunity, which agonisingly drifts by from Chelsea's point of view, but Mignolet is certainly alive to the first one. Moses. Discussion with the Sturridge.
Just switches off, gets himself back. Don't see that often.
Willian. Barkley. By Fabinho.
Fabregas into Barkley again.
First taste of this competition. I'm happy with the Barkley to win it back. Barkley looking aggrieved. Keita. Referee has no interest whatsoever. All day. Fabregas. Makes the challenge, which is Blooded.
And Mignolet dealt with it well.
That was sloppy and they may pay the price. Sturridge lets them off the hook.
Now, speaking in the first 30 minutes, Liverpool weren't winning the ball back as you associate them with.
Now Moses dancing between two. Hanging it in there. Oh, very timely header by Matip. Willian. Mane coming in. Caballero there again.
That's more like it from Liverpool. Counter-pressing, Jurgen Klopp calls it. And again, in behind Emerson. That's happened three.
It's opened up invitingly. Some business for Caballero to attend to urgently. Shaqiri seeking to exploit it. Fabregas back there. Christensen's error now for Shaqiri. Christensen ahead of the game. Liverpool corner.
Again, Christensen come across as he did earlier.
Moses. For Azpilicueta. As it's gone on, Liverpool have got more into their stride, winning the ball higher up the field, and Milner gets there. Willian. Drive on. Now the breakout led by Shaqiri and stopped pretty crudely by Cobbett. It's an absolute gift for Sturridge. Caballero did well and did enough in the end. But an extraordinary escape for Chelsea. Trouble of their own making.
You always fancy Daniel Sturridge in these positions. You get to question the time as a striker.
Caballero's all night long. Moreno's getting there. Here he is. Start way through. This is Mane. That's useful. Morata is there.
Two very strong players. Up after the assist.
Morata able to hold on. The foul by Fabinho. Change that was on the cards. Has happened. Willian withdrawn. Caballero takes charge. Christensen.
Beauty on this side.
Oh, another gift potentially for Mane this time. And again, Chelsea somehow survive.
Another mix-up in the Chelsea defence.
Well, manager and very interested Aston Villa man. Great feet from him, and it's on for him.
He's one who's shown quality all night. It's been mostly with
Risen in importance in the last few years. Shot there from Mignolet. They found a way out of trouble. They haven't. They're into it. It's Keita, and now it's Sturridge. Reacted brilliantly, and redemption was not long in coming for Daniel Sturridge. That old familiar feeling against an old familiar club.
And it comes from Chelsea, losing possession near their own goal. Liverpool's pressing's been back in this second half. Keita finds himself in the box, waits the goalkeeper well. And he spoke about an open goal before.
On for Barkley. Kovacic replaced. Morata sniffing around. Mignolet has to get it right. Nino. It's in a really good second half. It's Sturridge will unleash one. Fractions in it.
It's opening up the game now. Fabinho, great.
Oh, and Barkley forces a save and in. It was Emerson who pounced for Chelsea. And the set piece did prove to be the way back for them.
Well, Liverpool hold a high line on wide free kicks. One of the Chelsea players went early and the Liverpool line held. I think we'll see it now. You see someone go there and they just hold. It's actually Morata.
It's Emerson in the end. We may just. Brilliant run by Hazard! Oh, that is absolutely phenomenal!
Wow! Best player in the Premier League. Said it showed how much serious Sarri was taking this, that this man was brought on.